Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect EV charging to PG&E EV2 plan, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect your electric vehicle charging to the PG&E EV2 plan, start by visiting the PG&E website. Create an online account if you do not already have one. Log in to your PG&E account. Navigate to the section dedicated to electric vehicle programs. Locate the EV2 rate plan details. Review the eligibility criteria for the EV2 plan. Check if your current service plan qualifies for the EV2 rate. Gather the necessary information about your electric vehicle. Identify your average monthly electricity usage. Consider any additional appliances that may affect your overall usage. Complete the online application form for the EV2 plan. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Submit the application and wait for confirmation from PG&E. Once approved, review the terms and conditions of the EV2 plan. Plan your electric vehicle charging times to benefit from off-peak rates. Install a Level 2 EV charger if you haven't done so already. Choose a licensed electrician if installation assistance is required. Connect the EV charger to your home electrical system. Set your EV charging schedule according to the EV2 plan. Monitor your charging sessions through your smart device or charger app. Keep track of your electricity usage to ensure cost efficiency. Regularly check your PG&E account for any updates or changes to the EV2 plan. Adjust your charging habits as needed based on your electricity usage trends. Stay informed about any promotions or additional benefits for EV customers. This will help maximize your savings and keep your electric vehicle charged efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.